Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Here's your IOTA trading informant. Today is an English update. Yesterday I made a German one, but I have some news here for IOTA. I must talk about this. So guys, a really quick update for IOTA. Let's go. First of all, we can see IOTA is going up really nice. Here's CoinMarketCap and you can see IOTA place number 47 and IOTA is going up 9% in 24 hours and 18% in 7 days. That's really nice. Look at this. Here's the IOTA price prediction and what is telling us this one. We may go up a little bit more. We may go up until $1.08. This is telling us the price prediction. So guys, this looks very nice for the moment for IOTA, but I have to tell you some stuff here. First of all, we have still extreme fear in the market and the sentiment is neutral. Yes, of course, we see a bullish 63% sentiment and we are with 37% bearish, but you can see bullish 63%. That's really nice. And if we're going down a little bit more, we can see where are the next big resistances to the upside. It's 96 cents, it's 99 cents. Let me tell it, $1, one of the biggest resistance in my opinion. And after this, $1.07. So let's check what's going on. This is the daily chart. I will show you, maybe it's a little bit better to start with the 4-hour chart. I have here some big things for you. First of all, what can we see? Yes, we have a big triangle, a big triangle. And yes, it's maybe better to show you this on the daily. Let me show you, because this big triangle is in my opinion now the important stuff for the moment. Why? We saw here since long time here the beginning of this big resistance. It was a big resistance here on February 2020, on August 2020, and here once again the third try for fight with this resistance was in February 2021. After this we broke out to the upside. After this point it was a really nice important support line, because we touched it here once again July 2021. We touched it again and now we are coming closer and closer to this important support line. So in my opinion, this is one of the biggest things we need to watch now for IOTA, guys. I hope that this big support line will hold. Now let me show you a little bit more. This is the drawing from my video yesterday. Yesterday I made a German update. Now today I will make an English one because it's really important, and someone asked me, please Biti, make also an English update. So here it is. In my opinion, I drew this yesterday. It's something like this possible. You can see it. Yesterday I showed you maybe we're going up to 93 cents. What happened? We went up to 93 cents. Okay, that's a really nice stuff. What happened here, guys? We saw here a sideways going triangle. Let me tell you, triangle. We saw here, let me zoom in a little bit more. Now it's better to see the 1 hour time frame in my opinion to show you this one here better. We saw this one here. We saw here a nice resistance line. Here was a nice support. What happened? We broke the support. We made a nice resistance. And next one, we touched it once, and the second try, we failed and we went down here really hard. The next big stuff, guys, what's going on? We are going up here a little bit, not like this. Here we went down, now we went up. We have also a nice support line. The big question is, can this support line like this one hold, or will we see a touch again and then we may go down again? That's the big question. This line here is a future reading line. Let me remove it. Why it is? Because we have here a big Fibonacci 0.786. So maybe we're going down again to this point, but I don't hope. I hope we went up. I hope now it's a little bit different like this one, because we are going up to the upside with this. Let me tell it, rising broadening wedge. No, it's not a broadening, it's a rising wedge. It's a rising wedge. We're going up, and that's not the baddest stuff for the moment to watch. So yesterday I told you, okay, 93 cents, and after this maybe attention, if we hit this this point here on the upside, we may go down again. That's the big question now. Remember the line on the downside, what I'm telling you, this green support line here. If we are going down again, we have here 67 cents. I know it's really low, but guys, that's the big long time support, ultra long time support coming here from the left side, and that's really important. A really big triangle, and if this triangle, guys, will break out to the upside, we have a really nice target. I know the last triangle, what we saw, broke down here to the downside. Now we have the next point to watch, and that's the big thing. I told you this stuff on my last videos last year, guys. Attention for IOTA. Big triangle is forming. Yes, if we will break up to the upside, we have a nice target, but if we will break down, we have also to watch. So I can't predict the future, but I can show you if we can break up here, maybe like this one, where is the next point for IOTA, and that would be a really, really nice stuff. Look at this. This would be maybe $3.30 maybe if we can break out of this target here to the upside. But guys, let me show you one thing that's also really important. I removed now every drawing, I removed now everything, and that's the power of the ma20. Let me show you this. Let's zoom in a little bit more and more and more. What's happening now? The power of the ma20. We lost here the ma20 completely. This was in January. After this, we went down. It was a nice retest. After this, we went down. What is happening now for the moment? Yes, you can see it. We are crossing the ma20. We have here the first confirmed closing candle now. And that's a bullish sign for IOTA in my opinion, because the ma20 is a really important line here. And we made a nice cross and a nice breakout here. So what's going on in my opinion now? One thing what I would like to show you is this one. We have now a nice stuff to watch. First of all, yes, we have a big parallel channel to the downside, something like this one here. If we are watching this on a bigger time frame, we have to watch like this. This is our big bad parallel channel to the downside from IOTA. That's okay. That's not good. I know it, guys. We have here a little parallel channel. What means a little? A big parallel channel to the upside, like this one now. The big question is now, you can see this triangle. Can we break out to the upside or will we break down again? And that's the big thing we need to watch, guys, for IOTA in the future. I know IOTA has the staking. I know, guys, IOTA has a lot of coins in staking. Me too. I'm also in staking with my coins. I have it on the Firefly wallet. I'm staking the coins for SMR and Shimmer and so on. SMR is Shimmer. And we need to watch what's going on in March. I think in March we will see big moves maybe, because a lot of guys will take out the IOTA coins, and then it's very important. Will the guys hold this word or will they sell it? That's the big question. And I think we may see a big reaction here in March. That's really possible. If we are watching this one with the lines, what can we see? The same thing, guys. If we are zooming in a little bit more with the ma20, here we lost it. Now we are back again, and you can see after we crossed it, we saw for the most times a big reaction. Here a big reaction to the upside, here a big reaction to the downside. Maybe we will see now a big reaction to the upside. This would be a really nice stuff we need to watch. Guys, what else do we need to watch? This is the resistance line, this one, because if we are going up now more and more, where is the big next target? In my opinion, it's a point like this one here, guys. We must watch $1.30 maybe, because here's the resistance line. Here's also this resistance line, a lot of resistance here. And if we're drawing a Fibonacci retracement to the lowest point here, what else can we see? Here is the 0.382 Fibonacci. So in my opinion, we must first of all fight against this line here. This is the 0.236 line, $1.05. If we can fight against this one here, we have the next target to watch, $1.30, $1.32 to the upside. Guys, if we will lose this, yes, we have nice support to the downside. This is this point, but it's really low, 72 cents. And I told you my other target here to the downside, that's the big thing to watch. Guys, that's a really fast update for IOTA. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can make millions with this information. Very important. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today, I'm your IOTA trading informant. Bye-bye, guys. System activate.